there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we put products head-to-head so you can make the best buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, and on the right, the TiziToy brushless motor drone. Get ready for some aerial action. All right, let's start with everyone's favorite topic, money. The Bwine F7 comes in at $258. That's a pretty penny for a drone. On the other hand, the TiziToy is a mere $99. I mean, you could buy 3 TiziToys and still have enough left over for a fancy coffee. So if your wallet's feeling a bit thin, TiziToy might be the way to go. Next up, let's talk cameras. The Bwine F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and 5 GHz FPV transmission. It's like having a Hollywood director in your backpack. Meanwhile, the TiziToy also offers a 4K camera, but with a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens. So if you're into wide-angle shots, TiziToy has got your back. But let's be honest, who has time to manually adjust anything? Bwine F7 wins this round for convenience. Reviewers of the Bwine F7 love its smooth recording capabilities, while TiziToy users are impressed with its camera quality and stability in wind. Now, let's dive into the brains of these drones. The Bwine F7 is like the Einstein of drones with GPS and optical flow mode. It can follow you, orbit around points, and even return home when the battery is low or the connection drops. It's practically a flying butler. The TiziToy, though, doesn't fall too far behind with features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and gesture control. But hey, it doesn't have that fancy find its way home feature. So if you're as forgetful as I am, Bwine F7 might save you some tears. Reviewers of the Bwine F7 praise its follow mode and GPS features, while TiziToy users enjoy its fun capabilities like 360 degrees flips. Alright, let's talk about how long these birds can stay in the sky. Bwine F7 offers up to 60 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's a full hour of pretending you're in a sci-fi movie. TiziToy gives you 40 minutes with its 2 1,600 mAh batteries. Not too shabby, but if you want to stay airborne longer, Bwine F7 takes the cake. Or should I say, the sky. Reviewers of the Bwine F7 appreciate the extended flight time, while TiziToy users find the 40-minute flight time satisfactory for their needs. For those of you just starting out in the drone world, you'll want something easy to handle. Bwine F7 is beginner-friendly, with tutorial videos and a beginner mode that makes it nearly indestructible. Even if it drops, it keeps flying. TiziToy also caters to beginners with detailed tutorials and an electronic fence to keep you from flying it into your neighbor's yard. But let's be real, who doesn't love a good crash story for the gram? Reviewers of both drones mention their ease of use for beginners, with Bwine F7 having a slight edge due to its beginner mode. Last but not least, let's talk support. Bwine F7 offers a 6-month money-back guarantee and a whopping 3-year warranty. That's some serious confidence in their product. TiziToy, on the other hand, promises 24-hour customer service and has an electronic fence function to keep your drone in check. Both seem pretty solid, but that 3-year warranty from Bwine F7 is like having an insurance policy for your adventurous spirit. Reviewers of the Bwine F7 appreciate the excellent customer support and warranty, while some TiziToy users have had mixed experiences with their customer service. Overall, reviewers find the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone to be a high-quality and reliable option, especially for its price, with excellent customer support and intelligent features. On the other hand, the Tizzy Toy Brushless motor drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, although some users have had issues with customer support. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone is like the James Bond of drones, sleek, sophisticated, and packed with gadgets. The Tizzy Toy Brushless motor drone is more like your reliable sidekick, affordable, versatile, and still pretty darn cool. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.